Day two.
Day two.
Right, so last night I spontaneously booked to go see Oliver. So we're going to go do that at 2:30. I'm just having a little walk around Soho now. Are we going to get some food? I'm really hungry.
I'm starving. We're going to have to get something.
We might get some food, but we're going to go see Oliver at 2:30. And that'll be fun. Just uploaded a banger of a vlog for last night, so go watch that.
Yeah, the wild time.
And we'll try and do a good one today, and then all the way home we're going to go to the warehouse and do some eBay live streaming. So no drinking today, and I've had a vodka because I'm dehydrated. How are you feeling? Water. We're in the theatre now.
We made it to Oliver, like man's faces in the middle of Oliver.
Sober.
So sober. So a bit hungover.
Yeah. And this is what it looks like. We haven't done an update since we were in Oliver, right? But we'd left and we're now near my warehouse. We're just at a Beefeater getting some food. And I just had a really delicious garlic bread. And then we're gonna go to the warehouse and live stream some clothes. Not particularly fun, but it needs to be done.
And it's 8 o'clock.
And it's 8 o'clock, so it's gonna be late as well.
And we've both got a really busy day tomorrow.
Yep. Oh well. Well, that was a nice day, wasn't it? And now it is Monday and I'm at work in the usual spot on top of the hill. We didn't get too much recorded off. Me and Lily were so tired. We obviously got that Beefeater, went to the warehouse, did the live stream. We didn't finish live streaming until 11 p.m. It was so late, but we did sell all of the designer gear. And yeah, everyone seemed to really enjoy it. I'm getting my shoes muddy here. Everyone seemed to really enjoy it. And we did quite a lot of revenue. It was good. If you haven't checked that out already, just go and check out our eBay store live stream thing. You can in our link tree. I've got a full day ahead of me today, and then I think we're going to see Lily's grandparents later. Maybe go to the gym. I'm still ill. Yeah, but yeah, all good. All in all, this is the views from the warehouse today. It's a bit cloudy. Still no idea what's going on in that field, and it's quite muddy as well, which is not nice. Oh, and I had to stay at my house last night, and I've got no clothes there, so I'm dressed like a tramp today because I've got no clothing. But that is it really. Yeah, that's it. I'm ill again, like quite ill, which is really not ideal. I don't know how I've managed to make my immune system so low that I'm poorly once again, but here we are, Barocca in hand and some water. These things are the magic touch of not being ill. I'm just gonna drop one of these bad boys in the water and then begrudgingly drink it. They are, I mean, they don't taste great, do they? Sometimes I really fancy it, sometimes I just hate it. Hang on, let me just, here we go. Ready? Fantastic. Look at that, go on nice and pea yellow. I'm going to work. I've got loads I need to do. I've got loads of videos to record, loads of content that I need to do, and obviously I've got a terrible voice for it, so I'm not sure how this is going to come across. But I've been doing a new editing style on the TikTok recently, and it's working quite well. So I'm really excited to see, like with some new content, how I can just make it better, and also really fun. Yeah, so I think it's going well. Anyway, I'm hungry, but I've not got any food, so I might have to stop off at a shop and get some lunch. If not, I'll see you at the warehouse. Stopped off at the shop, looking bold, because I need to get some porridge to take to work. I need something to eat at lunchtime that's like, not like really carb heavy, but also like good for me. So I'm thinking porridge and milk. Out of Weetabix and Ready Brek, I didn't know what to get, so I got Weetabix and Ready Brek. And I thought maybe I could crunch the Weetabix into the Ready Brek and make it like a bit crunchy, I don't know. But extra fibre, I mean, not going to have a problem going to the toilet, am I? I want to get this in before I forget to vlog. We've basically been smashing the live streams all day. I'll give you a little tour now. Will is live streaming, so bear with. But if you look at the warehouse, these are all of the live stream sales on eBay Live. So Will's obviously going now with Mum. All of this, all of this, all of this, all up there, around here, all of this stuff here, all of this, and all the way up there. all of that on the eBay live stream. So yeah, pretty good day. Definitely sold a lot of stuff, and it's going to be a busy 48 hours, I think. Yeah, it's going to be a mental 48 hours. Yeah, good, I'm happy.